If you own a GM 800 or GM 900 Silverado with the 4L60E transmission and people say that trans is weak, this GM engineer with 32 years in transmission development is about to show you why it's actually one of the strongest ever made. And if you want the secret to make your 4L60E last over 300,000 miles, hit subscribe right now. For years, 4L60E owners heard, "It's the weak link. Should have got the 80E. Modern transmissions are better." But this engineer showed me GM's internal data that tells a completely different story. The engineer explained the 4L60E is based on the TH700R4 from 1982, over 40 years of the same design GM perfected. 4 gears, hydraulic control with electronic overdrive, simple by intentional design. He showed me GM's test data. When properly maintained, it's indestructible. And here's what he revealed about modern transmissions. More gears means more clutch packs, more solenoids, more failure points. The 4L60E has 4 clutch pack sets. 10-speed transmissions have 12. The engineer was blunt. Fewer components, fewer problems. Basic engineering the industry forgot. Before I show you the $50 secret this engineer swore would save thousands of 4L60Es, if you're realizing your 4L60E isn't the problem, but how people treat it, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, the $50 secret. I asked the engineer, what kills the 4L60E? Direct answer, heat and neglect. He showed me GM's protocol for fleets. Fluid change every 50,000 miles. That's it. 50,000 miles, drain and fill, $50 in fluid. Do this and your 4L60E will outlast any modern transmission. GM fleet data. Properly maintained 4L60E averages 350,000 miles. Neglected, 150,000. Same transmission, different owner. The engineer summed it up. The 4L60E doesn't fail. Owners fail the 4L60E. I asked, what if it needs a rebuild? The engineer smiled. That's where you see the genius of the design. 4L60E rebuild, $1,500 to $2,500. Modern 10-speed replacement, $6,000 to $10,000. He explained, we designed the 4L60E to be rebuilt. All parts available, any competent mechanic can do it. You can rebuild your 4L60E 4 times for the cost of replacing a modern transmission once. The engineer was emphatic. That's not weakness, that's smart engineering, designed to be repaired, not thrown away. In his words, that's real durability, the kind we don't build anymore. So when someone says 4L60E is weak, you respond, a GM engineer with 32 years told me mine can last 350,000 miles. Will your 8-speed make it there? Your 4L60E isn't the problem, it's the solution, built when transmissions were made to last. Subscribe right now because every week I bring more GM engineer revelations about why your GM 800 and GM 900 are indestructible. Hit the bell, drop your 4L60E mileage below, and watch the next video about why the 5.3-liter Vortec never dies. Immortal engine, indestructible transmission. Your Silverado is complete.